Hey everyone, happy Tuesday. Welcome back. My name is Abhilasha Singh. If you're new here, I do easy breezy makeup tutorials to make your makeup life easy, and of course hairstyles and home care as well for skin. Today I have got you an entire makeup which is concealer and contouring. No foundation, a very quick, easy breezy do for any event coming up. A lot of birthdays, a lot of parties, home parties, no socializing I meant, and you can use it whenever you feel like. So without much delay, let's go. And if you've not already subscribed, please subscribe, hit the bell icon for future notifications. I love saying that, everybody says it. Like, I'm a part of the YouTube gang now. So let's begin. So this is my absolutely bare face. I have nothing on my face right now, and I'm going to show you how to do the entire prepping and how to just use concealer and contouring and finish the face. Like literally no foundation. So let's begin. It's a very beautiful illuminator by Milk Makeup. And I'm going to use this on my highlight spots. Wherever your highlight spots are, right there. I'm going to massage it in with my fingers. It is winters, you know, our skin is going to get dry. So let's go ahead and use this hydrating mist. I'm going to use this under eye cream by Bobbi Brown. It's one of the most hydrating under eye creams out there. Just very slightly, and then massage it in. The aim of doing this makeup is to have a very nice glowing base. I love creating a glowing base, especially for winters when your skin tends to get drier. We are trying to do the opposite by creating a glowing base. Now if you have oily skin, go ahead and powder down your face. This is a Charlotte Tilbury powder. You can use any powder to powder down your face before you apply your concealer and your contouring. That will help you control the oil. I do not have oily skin, so I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to take this Starcha Primer, and this is basically for your open pores or around the nose area, which tends to get a little shiny as the evening goes in. Let's go ahead and mattify that. If you have dry skin, please don't use this product. It's very important to understand what skin type you have. The next, I will go ahead. Now for concealers, you can, if you have dry skin, you can use any serum based concealer by Bare Minerals. If you have normal skin, you can use any concealers by Tarte Shape Tape. Are very beautiful, very high pigmented, so you can absolutely use it as a foundation. The first step is going to be correcting your face. I'm using my NARS color in Biscuit. I did have my moisturizer and sunscreen in the morning when I got done with my shower. I also put sunscreen if I'm sitting in the house, if I'm working on my laptop, if I'm, you know, sitting in front of such harsh lights. They also cause dark spots, pigmentation, all your skin problems. You must correct your face before you start your makeup, because otherwise you will see slight pigmentation or dark spots, especially for South Asian skins. This takes care of those little imperfections that you might have. And there we are. This here is my absolute favorite contour stick by Tarte Cosmetics. It's the perfect shade, which is 3 shades darker than my skin tone for contouring. And it goes in every little spot that I want to contour and gives me that sharp looking effect. Make sure you contour your face according to the sharpness of the face you like. I just love a sharp face. Why not? So we are just minusing an entire step where we don't have to apply the foundation if not needed. But yes, make sure that your face is nicely moisturized before you go ahead and do this entire step. This was the longest part, but of course, being a makeup artist, blending becomes extremely important. And for me, it is the key to a complete no makeup look, especially without a foundation, you know, and you're just blending the contour and the concealer. So there it is. I'm going to apply a little concealer right on my nose so it gives me the sharp effect. I will be using the concealer later on at some spots, you will see. Smaller areas I like blending with my finger, and there it is. Just keep blending. The YSL, and we'll go ahead and slightly cover it up. This is so that everything is one blend, everything is seamless. I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury powder now. This is a very beautiful shade in medium. And slightly dab it all over. So although you will powder down your face, you will see a very beautiful glow happening coming through the skin. You know, that is what we're aiming for. I'm taking this beautiful color by one of my favorite colors. Taking a blending brush. Although we have no foundation, we still want everything seamlessly blended. Once you have your face glowing and nice, sometimes you can even minus eye makeup and just wear a red lipstick and you're done. You know, some looks are just made that way. Take a Bare Minerals concealer in light and we'll just highlight it around here. Now, when you do entire makeup with concealer and contouring, make sure you blend nicely. Blending becomes extremely important. I mean, as is, blending is very important. We have the lovely face all highlighted. I'm taking my HOOLA by Benefit. It's a very beautiful brown. Make sure that you don't bronze your face a lot. You're not looking at a summer makeup, you're looking at a very winter makeup, very you know, party, glossy, dinner makeup. I'm using my Becca highlighter in color Rose Gold. I'm not doing a champagne pop. I understand everybody's favorite is champagne pop, but this is a very beautiful slight pink tone to it. We are sticking to the family of the blush. There we have the skin. And now let me go and finish. There it is, guys. So this is a full makeup without foundation, just your concealing and contouring and nothing more. So I hope you enjoyed this quick makeup tutorial for your Thanksgiving, for any other event that's coming up, or whenever you want to do this. Absolutely, it's just the consistency of how much concealer and contouring you need to apply without the foundation. Be careful of that in your mind. You don't want to put less so it does not look like there's anything, but this literally is just concealer and contouring, and your blush, of course, the highlighting, everything on the point. I hope you have a lovely Thanksgiving. Have a lovely week ahead, and I will see you again on Tuesday with a very quick tutorial to make your makeup life easy. Until then, take care, peace, bye.